back to home and I am so badly wet, like my whole clothes got wet. It's raining so badly outside and my whole top, my cargo, and it's like very badly raining. At morning it was so sunny and right now it's raining like I don't know, all those thunders. And let me show you it. Oh, badly, you know. This is what it sounds like, and just look at it. Now so guys, I changed into my normal home clothes. So guys, let's have coffee right now and अभी कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए मज़ा आएगा क्योंकि बाकी का तो गिर गया है. Guys, let's have coffee right now and coffee is ready. Cheers. Cheers. So guys, right now I had my coffee and I'm watching my own videos. So right now I'm watching my video. Then if you're really very new to this channel, then you know what you have to do, right? Go and subscribe right now. Hey, you come here. You're gonna do my massage and where you're going over there?
इसको रिबन चाहिए.
Smelling, यार.
अब मैं एक टेक्निक स्पेशल यूज करने वाली हूँ, शिनचैन वाली. आपने वो सीन देखा ही रहेगा ना, ऐसा वाला.
Don't do that. I
No,
said, guys, help me. And just stop it.
Why?
Do normal one. What I.
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप.
So guys, it's around 6:45 right now, and I'm going outside. I have some work, so let's go. Eight 5 right now, and let's have dinner. So what's special today, Mom? Special today, Mom?
Chicken.
Oh wow. So guys, it's going to be 9 right now, and I didn't even study or touch my book literally since I am home. I'm back to home and I did nothing, literally nothing. I am doing only the thing that is procrastination. I was into procrastination, doing this, doing that instead of studying, and there are so many pending things or so many pending stuff to be done. Like it's like a very huge list which I have to do, but right now I will do little study, then I have to do not little but the very big write-up to be complete, all of those things. And for completion of write-up I need so many time, so let's do all of those things and let me study at least little today for an hour, or like I don't think I'm gonna study for an hour, but let's try. Why not? So let's do that. There are so many stuffs to be done, and all of those tasks need to be. Oh God, I'm so sorry. All of those tasks need to be completed. So guys, it's 10:05 right now, and I just in study I just read 1 2 3 pages only. I didn't did much, but right now I have to complete my write-up. So let's do that quickly, and I'm just going to give 1 hour for it. Till 11 I'm gonna do it, or like I'm going to wrap everything, because I'm feeling so sleepy right now, and as you can see my eyes how tired it is. So let's do it quickly to write. My sister is also helping me. Angel. Guys, my sister is also helping me out for writing assignment. Angel, God bless you. Even I'm writing over here. Many more to write. So guys, it's 11 p.m. right now, and I have did all of my stuff, all of my pending works completed, but still there are so many things to done. But that's it for day. Like, I'm so tired and I'm feeling so sleepy right now. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.